Hello, today we will guide you through how to make Google Drive upload faster. To get started, open Google Drive in your browser. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account. Once you are on the main Google Drive homepage, take a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly so you can easily find the menu options we'll be using. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click the New button. This is the large button with the plus symbol, and it opens the main action menu for creating and uploading content in Google Drive. From that menu, choose More. This section contains additional tools and connected app options that work alongside your Drive account. After clicking More, select Connect More Apps. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace area where you can add tools designed to expand what Google Drive can do. In the search bar, type Speed Uploader for Google Drive. When the app appears in the results, click on it and then choose Install. At this point, Google will ask you to review permissions. Click Continue and then follow the on-screen sign-in and authorization process. This is a normal part of connecting an app to your Google Drive, and it allows the tool to work with your files. Just carefully read each prompt as you move through the setup so you understand what access is being requested. Once the installation is complete, return to Google Drive. Back on the Drive homepage, click the New button again, then go to More. You should now see the newly added Speed Uploader tool listed there. Click it to open the extension tool. From here, you can now upload your file using the Speed Uploader tool. This may help improve the upload experience compared to the standard method, especially if you are working with larger files or want an alternative upload interface. As a quick tip, before uploading, it can help to close unnecessary browser tabs or apps that may be using your internet connection. Also, make sure your connection is stable so the upload has the best chance to complete smoothly. If the app does not appear right away under the More menu, refresh Google Drive and check again. That's it. You've successfully added and opened the Uploader tool in Google Drive, and you're now ready to use it for faster file uploads.